Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. This coming up video is from a customer that went to Costco, used Yes Video, the vendor that they use, and they had a reel of film, and I've seen this so many times, where they say a sticker on it, service not performed, because they think it's deteriorated. Yes, it might have a bit of shrinkage on the film itself or not be perfect, but they tell the customers, oh, your film's no good, throw it away. So here is a prime example of a customer that came in that was like, yeah, this is really important stuff and we want to give it a last chance. And there was absolutely nothing wrong with it. It drives me up the wall because so many people have their memories thrown in the landfill because of some lazy people at companies that really don't care, have zero heart. It's all about bottom line. And so here is a video documenting everything now. So we've got a film reel here that's come back from Costco. It says service not performed, and this is kind of bad warped stuff. And you've been to Costco and they said it came back, service not performed. All right, so we're going to give it a go. So we're going to go in the back and check it out. All right, so we've got Alex here. We're going to give this a go and see if we can
off for a second. Okay. I understand.
There we go.
Okay. Oh my God.
There we go.
This is stuff my grandpa took when we were little kids back in the 50s.
Oh. So, Yes Video said no. But Got Memories said yes.
I think that was Barbara, wasn't it?
And this looks really good as well. There we go.
Yeah, if you can.
So what do you think?
That looks good. Let's go for it.